Myself very surprised of this decision because I was waiting for last 7 years with my family members, my wife, children, my mother, all waiting for this long asylum procedure. So finally I got this news, and my lawyer told me they have rejected, and they said that your political party have some connections with the other groups which are like the guerrillas fighting there in Balochistan for independence. If they look only the argument from Pakistani side, of course, from the day one they are blaming us like terrorists, the most wanted terrorists in the world, like this type of thing. But I think the Swiss authorities should look into the other facts, like what the Americans and Afghanistan is saying to Pakistan is giving the safe havens to all terrorist groups. Now I'm only focusing in Switzerland because I will not leave it like this. I will fight for this in Switzerland and in International European Court. Because I have to. This is not only the rejection of my asylum case, this is the rejection of all my, the case of Balochistan, and all my people, all the innocent people.